Good morning, guys. How are you? It's been a while. I can't see at all without these glasses. I guess I'm up pretty close. Anyhow, I've been kind of bedridden for the last couple of weeks. My stomach might mesh. I'm calling my doctor tomorrow and saying I can't wait till my August 5th appointment. I just cannot wait because it's horrible. It feels like I'm being stabbed. I had to cool down, y'all. I started talking about my hernia mesh hurting and went on a rant. I was like, okay, I can't have this on here. But as you see, I haven't caulked or anything. To remind you of what I've done so far, I've got it all up, got all the finishing nails in it, got the window all framed out, and I have decided I am going to use that paint, but what I'm going to do, all right now, I don't know if you can tell the difference between that one and the bottom one, but I mixed some of the tan with it, and I'm liking that better. Kind of in between the light and the dark. I just mixed it, and I'm liking that a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do to the island, this beadboard, and then I'm going to mix some more green right there and just do this top part over these cabinets all the way down to right here, and I'll trim it out, put a little piece of that mobile home trimming like this right here, and all that'll be green. And then this, I'm not sure yet. Oh yeah, I smoothed it out real quick. Not making too much of a mess either. I'm shocked. I thought I'd have drywall dust everywhere. Okay, right there. That's good. See, my husband, there's no telling how long that's been in there. I haven't used the oven in days. He got this pizza like 4 days ago, so my bad. Yuck. Cute dokey. This doesn't stink. This is amazing. It doesn't look bad at all. No, it doesn't. It looks wonderful. Man, that's nice. I need to do the other side, but I moved all that stuff over. Well, I've decided to go ahead and move everything into the laundry room. That's just ridiculous. I'm not going to go back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, I'm going to have some more spackle in this, I think, because that's sticking out real far. I don't ever plan on moving again or selling this place, so to me it's fine. I couldn't imagine moving again. I could not imagine moving again. Hey, I had another idea. I had a great idea. You know how I want to shop real bad? Anyway, I've got a telephone pole. Man, that thing's like 40 feet high. I think it's 30 feet high. It's been laying out there for 10 years. It's pressure treated. It used to be a power pole. And I guess he bought it or something, the guy that had this before me. And anyway, I was thinking if I sawed those in half, I could at least, let's see, 15, 20, 25, I could get 6 posts for my shed. That would be great. And I could cut out notches for the 2x4s to sit on, and it would be sturdy, and I could bury them like 2 feet deep with some concrete. That would be amazing for my shop. And then I could have my little wood shop, workshop thing, and be open like once a month or something like that for the public, like garage sale stuff. Oh, I think it'd be great. Anyway, that's something I'll go over with y'all in the future. I'm a daydreamer, but I do it. See where the lines disappeared? Watch my thumb. Oh, hold on. Look at that. Let me sand it now. Look at that. Man, I have a lot of deja vu moments, don't I? Got to take the shelf down again. Unfortunately, but you know what? I'm going to do it this last time, and that's going to be it. I'm not putting it back up again until I get that green painted, so it might be, I don't know, I got to find a good place for it though, but. Deja vu. Deja vu. I think I'm going to put it over here on my table over there. Taking me down. I promise. Oops. Come on. Done with spackling. Yay! Now I gotta clean up all the sawdust and start caulking. But first I gotta figure out that I don't think it's going to be, you'll be able to see it. I think I'm just going to go ahead and caulk that underneath the cabinets over there. I think I'm just going to caulk it. And just the trim that I put up there and go from there. Because I'm sitting here across here and you can't even see that bottom trim. You can see the very bottom tip of it. But I mean, you're going to have to be bent over looking at my cabinets to see that gap. So, and if I paint it, it should be okay. This on down. That's too thick. This one is thinner. This one is thinner. I don't know if I got that piece of this, but that is perfect, isn't it? That's absolutely perfect right there. Let's see. Let's see if I could get it to stay. Man, I wish I had some more of that. I've got plenty of this stuff. Well, I don't have plenty of it, but let me turn this off and mess with it. Maybe I can dig it out because there's not that much left. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's still moist. I mean, I can feel it. So I'm going to cut some of this off. Well, it's pretty hard. There was no way that was coming through. No. I'll go ahead and pull this whole thing off. Alright. Ah, there's some good stuff down in there. Now I'm going to put this back in here and see what I can do. Please do not try this at home. Oh, crap. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see that? I'm going to get a paper towel and wipe it in. That's a lot better. What I'm doing is just trimming this off like this. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can. Pieces, because it's not fitting. And I think it'll work. Yeah, it's going to work. Okay, I just got finished. Back there in the very back left corner is going to be caulked. That's not an issue. No, I'm not going to put anything in there because that's about the same width as that. But I got all this done. That's going to be much better than having that huge gap. Yeah, that's a big difference there. Much better. Where did I get that? I gotta get the level. Now I've already filled in all those nail holes with spackle. Let's see if you can see where I did it. That was one. Now all I gotta do is caulk. Well, this one I can clean up. I clean up my mess, but other than that, yay! Hey you guys, it has been 2 days since I finished spackling, fixing the caulk. I've been dreading it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just kind of scared, you know. I don't know why. I just a little bit scared. It's scary. Okay, I want to do it. I think. Right, I have a whole case of this stuff. Acrylic latex caulk, all purpose, paintable, flexible, indoor, outdoor, easy water cleanup. I'm just trying to see if it's white. Okay. Scared. I don't know why I'm scared. I don't know why I'm whispering either. But I'm gonna get me a rag. I have worse rags than this. This is a makeup rag. I've been using all my good makeup rags. I'll use it. Okay. I'm scared. Don't know why. I don't know how good of a caulker I am. But I did the bedroom, but it was years ago, like 5 years ago. I hadn't caulked since. Okay. I don't get too big. It needs to be trimmed up though. Let's start right here. Right. I'm gonna start right. Right here. Not coming out very good. Oh man. Okay, let me get my wet rag. Starting out bad already. What's going on here? It's not working very good. Alright, this ain't right. Something's wrong here. Actually, it's not. It's not working right. Do you see this? I finally got it. It got all over the wall, all over my hands. I got all this down here. Right here, I'm gonna have to put some trim. Hey guys, I've been trying to do this. I got that whole bottom row under over the stove and all the way to here. But I'm fixing to do this little corner here and go under here. And I'm going to do this on camera. And then after that, I'm not going to do it anymore because it's too hard. This is a constant thing. I got to keep going. And I'm not doing very good. The problem that I'm having is that the crevices are like too deep. And I'm having to really fill it in. So I don't know. I might have to end up putting a piece of trim around this. So it's more. Plus, this gun doesn't stay. All right, it's doing it now. Constant. There we go. It wouldn't stay constant until now. Maybe it hit some dried up stuff or something. I don't know. No, it's doing it again. Crap. What's wrong with this gun? This way.
Sometimes it's worth a lot of money, sometimes it's not. Another thing I got here is this is for my wife, a little Pyrex little dish here. Paid $3 for that.
I'm gonna start painting tomorrow. I'm tired. Okay. See you in the morning. Bye.